it. Happy birthday, Ching! Cheers to many more years of laughter, singing, and friendship. God bless you and enjoy your special day with the family and friends. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Hey, hi Ching. Happy birthday. Siguro na-surprise ka? I was asked to do this message for you to greet you a happy birthday. What truly a blessings for you to our Team Bisaya community. So my prayer for you today is like, I want God to continue to bless you, to continue to give you the wisdom and the perseverance to lead the Team Bisaya. That's very important, and I know you are so much blessed in so many things. I like your passion, your dedications, and you're a beautiful person inside and out. Continue singing, continue to be inspired, stay positive always, stay healthy, and I pray that whatever desires that you have in your heart, God will answer that to you. Once again, Ching, happy birthday to you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay in love, because God is love. So I'm happy for you, and I'm so blessed that I'm part of your community, and I'm so blessed that we guys, we crosses our path, and we become one family through YT. So happy birthday, Ching. All the best, and may God continue to shower abundant blessings upon you and your families. Continue to be strong. I love you from Kuya Mark. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Rebecca. May the Lord God will keep you safe always at ang iyong family, at i-provide pa ni Lord kung ano pa man ang dinidesire ng iyong puso. Thank you very much at nakilala ko kayo ni Daddy Dance. Enjoy your day. God bless and happy birthday. See you around dito sa mundo ni Whitey.
Ohayo ni mo diya, Mas. Good morning. Naghinaot ko sa dugang pang mga katuigan. Ani mo no. Happy birthday. O more birthdays to come. So I wish good health, happiness, piminti makalipay. So lang to og amping kanunay. This is your DJ Gani.
Hello there, Mami Ekang. This is Star Ganda, one of your fresh, gorgeous, talented, and sexy daughter here in Whitey World. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come, good health, more blessings, and success. Not just to you, but to your wonderful and amazing family. Mabuhay ang Team Bisaya dahil ikaw ang founder ng Team Bisaya. I wish you nothing but the best, more blessings in terms of material, physical, financial, and spiritual blessings. Thank you so much for everything. Once again, this is Star Ganda, nga nawog auntie pero angkol og tingog. Take care always and God bless. Once again, mabuhay ang Team Bisaya. God bless you all, guys. I love you all. Happy birthday, Mami.
Hello, good day everyone. Regent TV channel po from Team Bisaya Lidjets would like to greet my Ate Cheng's birthday. Hello, Ate Cheng's. Happy birthday. And I know that God is always with you because you're a very good Ate. Ate, wish na ko ni Muti always happiness with Rina, with your family. Always good health. If pray na mo ti na always okay ka diha sa layo kasi malayo ka sa amin. Ate, kahit hindi kita nakilala ng lubos, pero I know in my heart and in my mind that you are a very good ate to me. And I hope that everything is okay with you, ate, and amping kakanunay dihati sa imong pagtrabaho, sa imong paglakaw-lakaw. And we love you so much, ate, with the Team Bisaya Legends. And once again, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Ching. I love you, Ate Ching.
Shout out everyone! Shout out po sa lahat and of course sa aking mga ka-Team Bisaya Legends. Shout out sa ating lahat guys. Ayan, nandito naman po tayo at meron tayong babatiin na kanyang napaka-espesyal na karawan. Of course, ang aming nag-iisang ate, nag-iisang founder ng Team Bisaya Legends, none other than our Ate Rereka channel. Ayan. Happy birthday to you, ate. Ayan, nandito na naman ulit tayo. Another year, another memories na mabubuo ulit sa iyong karawan na ito. So, nagpapasalamat kami at nananatili ako especially, nananatili ang ating friendship sa kabila ng lahat, sa kabila ng trials, hindi lang sa ating pagiging magkaibigan, kundi sa bilang magka-team sa Team Bisaya Legends. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat dahil nandito pa rin tayo lumalaban at hindi bumibitaw sa isa't isa. Kasama ang ating mga kagrupo, ang ating mga ka-Team Bisaya Legends. Ayan ate, I wish you all the best. Ang langit ko lang ipinipray kay God ang iyong kalusugan na sana ay lagi ka lang healthy, no? Yun po talagang importante sa lahat kasi useless po ang ating mga nagagawang pagtulong sa kapwa kung yung sarili natin ay hindi natin naiingatan. So yun po ang lagi kong inano sa iyo, ate. Take care always of yourself and your family. At yan po. At siyempre gusto kong mag-thank you sa iyo, ate, at alam mo yan, salamat sa friendship na until now ay nanatiling buo, nanatiling matibay. Salamat sa lahat ng mga advices na ibinibigay mo, at sa lahat, at alam ko marami sa atin, marami sa mga nakakakilala sa iyo na hindi alam ang totoong Rereka, hindi alam ang totoong Ate Ekang, kung ano ba talaga siya. Although, pag tinignan ka ng lahat, talaga naman maiilag or maiilang, mai-intimidate dahil pag tinignan ka, sabi nga nila, ginujoke ka, ikaw daw ay isang principal or professor, di ba? Ganun kasi ang aura ng aming ate, Rereka. Pero guys, deep inside po, kung makikilala nyo ng lubusan ng ating Ate Rereka, malalaman nyo kung gaano siya kabait. Siya yung taong nakilala ko na napaka-humble, walang ere sa katawan, napaka-down to earth, at higit sa lahat, napaka-generous na tao. At thank you ate, sana nga talaga ay hindi ka magbago sa amin, sa aming lahat. At of course, ang lagi kong sinasabi sa iyo, napakabait mo na tao, sobra. Yun lang talaga. Alam mo yung kahit naapakan ka na pero ikaw pa yung nagpapakumbaba. At sobrang inahangaan ko yan sa iyo, ate. Yung karakter mo na yan, talagang saludo ako. And happy birthday once again. Ayaw ko nang masyadong magdrama at ayaw ko umiyak dyan. Ate, love you always. Alam mo yan, I love you all, ka-Team Bisaya. Sana manatili at tumagal pa talaga ang ating samahan dito. At sana ay hindi lang itong kaarawan na ito natin babatiin ang ating nag-iisang Ate Rereka channel. Sana ay maraming taon pa natin siya babatiin. at bilang mga magkating Bisaya. Ayan, happy birthday once again. I love you and see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, yan, nag-love shoutout sa inyong lahat dyan. Babatiin ko lang ng isang maligayang kaarawan or happy birthday. The only one Rereka channel dito sa YouTube. Yan, happy birthday kang partner, best friend, and happy birthday sa'yo. I just want to wish you more birthdays to celebrate, good health, at patuloy mo lang yung ginagawa mo dito sa YT sa pagtulong ng mga, lalo na yung mga small YouTuber, not only dito sa team natin. Alam ko at alam nila yon kung ano ka, kung gaano ka matulungin, kahit di mo na iniisip kung ano ang balik sa'yo. Basta makatulong ka lang, alam ko yan. Medyo matagal na rin tayong nagsama dito sa YT World. So, happy birthday again. Dito kami, makiki-enjoy sa celebration mo. And lalo na yung mga naghihintay dyan. Naghihintay sa mga pag-games mo. So, hindi ko nahabaan ng message ko para sa'yo. Again, happy birthday. And God bless. We love you, Kang. Alam mo yan. Bye-bye.